I'm finally here and I'm absolutely starving. I'm hungry. But look at the mountains. We are going to the pool now. Exciting stuff.
I think so.
It needs to be filled a little more. So tomorrow or Wednesday?
So it gets fed by hot spring. And the water is a little bit low, but maybe it'll be filled later. So this is my room. This is the entrance here. So this is a small single room separated from the rest of the house. So everything is really quiet and private, away from the hustle and bustle of all the people that I've come here with. The bathroom looks really nice and clean. This is the bedroom, air conditioner, and then this is the view outside. Really pretty. And over there you can kind of, no, you can't see it, but they let out fruit for the animals to be able to eat from it. Like, this is like really good, and I am so really like thankful and just appreciative of the effort and thought my friend put into finding this Airbnb and also paying for it. Like, that was just really sweet, because, you know, I have issues with my sleep, and so having a quiet place for me to properly sleep was really nice. So thank you. Thank you to my friend. I appreciate her. Hello. We're going on a coffee and chocolate tour. Chocolates.
We need that to attract the mosquitoes here. We need to create like the atmosphere to attract the mosquitoes. And that's why we recommend to use box spray.
Gotcha.
For you, it's box spray. For me, it's perfume. I have to use that every single day.
You want the spray one?
Yeah. Muy bien. We can do also the pollination by hand, but just putting two flowers together, but it's kind of difficult to do it. So that's why we let the mosquitoes do it. In one cacao tree like this, you're gonna find around 10,000 flowers or more. So at the end, you can get more cacaos, right? More than 100 cacaos.
Everything's from Nigeria.
That's where I grew up, but that's
Okay,
where I
yeah,
see it first. I'm not going to Google it, but I found out that cocoa is from Nigeria.
Just stick with garlic, man.
Alien, like,
No, it definitely looks like some alien egg.
Who has the?
It looks like an alien
It
egg.
doesn't smell like anything either.
And this is the inside
Have
of
you tried
cacao.
this?
No.
Okay, today's the day, so you can take
Oh.
one, but just suck on it. Don't bite, don't swallow.
No,
You want? Take. Okay.
Oh.
It's,
You know what
it's
this is?
Tastes good.
It does taste good.
It's like a tropical fruit.
Do you do anything with the outside of it? Like
We use as a compost.
Okay.
It's basically that. We call that one the approximation like grafting. That's the most easiest ways to graft the trees.
And how-
It's actually the most important process. This is
believe
the
it.
fermentation. This is how indigenous people got the alcohol, but this is how we get the chocolate now. So you guys ready to smell this one? Nope.
This is
Okay.
the fermentation. I want to
It
smell
smells good, yeah. It smells
Ah.
like kombucha, like cheap wine, cider.
I'll smell it.
Oh my god.
Then it's like alcohol.
Yeah.
I'll be high. now.
We can drink some of that.
It was.
You just have to open the cocoa bean like this by twisting the seed in half, and then look at the inside. This is 100% cacao. You can smell it, and then you can eat a little piece. Not very well with your own tools, your hands. Yeah, you can see all the different processes that we have seen so far back there. We're supposed to be right now in the number 6, which is the roasting. The roasting is gonna intensify the flavor and the smell of the chocolate. So after we roast the beans, we need to remove the shell, like in the number 7. We're gonna use the shell, the cacao shell, to make some cocoa tea.
Ooh.
We're gonna mix the shell with some like cinnamon, ginger. We can try that tea at the end of the tour. And then you're gonna get the cacao nibs. Have you ever heard about this? Cacao nibs?
Not till today.
No.
Oh, smells good.
Just pass it around.
To grind some chocolate for you.
You've done this.
Every day. I'm going to stop singing because it's not fun.
I don't know what you're doing. What are you doing?
This is Jennifer grinding the coffee. Good, Jen. Good, Jen.
More chocolate. You can add more liquid.
Yeah, hot water.
I do need more sugar.
This is a little water.
Thank you.
Careful, it's very hot. Careful, it's very hot.
So we don't have to like temper it or anything?
No, actually. You normally drink coffee without sugar milk?
I usually don't drink coffee, but if I do have coffee, there's lots of sugar.
Makes sense.
Lighting isn't that good.
This kind of coffee is very sweet.
We're driving, we're driving.
During the night, this is how they look like. I looked and I was like, that's fun. Yeah. I feel like looking across the
Yeah. Nice.
because I'm just seeing like tops of trees, and I'm like, I'm higher than a tree. That's not right. Big spread away. No. We made it to the waterfall here.
And then keep on going easy. So keep on going down, and then like there's a outshoot, and there's a little bird on there. Yeah.
Wait, let me show you. Go with these branches. No, these branches. After this,
I don't know how else I can tell you.
this tree, go straight. There's a lot of leaves. Up.
I did it. Okay. I did it. 5 kilometers.
We're going to start with a splash of oil in both. Everything we cook in the same way. 1, 2, 3, and you put 5 in there. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of oil.
Let's do taco.
My wrist, I let go.
Her wrist wasn't as strong as she thought it was.
Okay, mama.
It was my accident the first time, but I never.
Eat the frying. Ahora sí.
Well, that was my trip to Costa Rica. The activities were fun. It was a much needed break. And if you made it this far, see you soon. And thank you for being here with me.